In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unblock all websites on school Chromebook. So first step, or let's just say step one, go to any web browser and then kindly locate settings. Here, you just have to tap privacy and security and then look for third-party cookies. Step two, once you're here, click this allow third-party cookies. You can see or read some information if you want to know more. So there, tap the circle button here. Okay, and then step three, go to clear browsing data and you have to clear browsing data here. You have to tap all time and then make sure that you check these boxes and then click clear data. Okay, now let's proceed to step four. Now, step four, you have to go to security. Now, scroll down and then look for advanced. And then go to manage device certificate. Okay, step five, what you're going to do is to simply go to this trusted root certificates and then go to advanced. Tap advanced here. And then make sure that you have checked this client box here. Step five, you just have to click OK, and that's it. That's how you unblock all websites on school Chromebook. As easy as that. I do really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.